Hello friends, welcome back to the channel The Student's Diary. Today I have brought for you some vocabulary from newspaper which will help you to enhance your English speaking and your day-to-day speaking. Now let's start without making any delay. If you're new here to my channel, please subscribe, like it and share it. It's my humble request. So first we have traitorous. It is an adjective. It's relating to or characteristics of a traitor or treacherous. Traitor means one who cheats other is called a traitor. Okay. So the synonym of this word is treacherous. The people who cheat other or disloyal, one who is not faithful. Okay. Treasonous, one who is cheating or backstabbing. The people one comes back and stabbing means the people who does things against our back is called backstabbing. Okay, so in Hindi it is namkaram, namak haram. Okay, that means okay. So now let's see a sentence. When his traitorous action were discovered, he was imprisoned. Next we have Sebaritic. What is Sebaritic? Sebaritic means fond of sensuous luxury or pleasure or self-indulgent. When a person is fond of self-pleasure, self-luxury or indulgent, that time we call it Sebaritic. Okay, it's an adjective and its synonyms are luxurious, extravagant, okay, pampered, lavish or self-indulgent. We call it Bilashmaya. Okay, it's very Bilashmaya. Means he always wants something luxury or something self-pleasure. That is what. So they are opulent and Sebaritic lifestyle. Next we have ferocious. What is this ferocious? It is an adjective. Savagely fierce or cruel or violent is called ferocious. Its a synonym is wicked. People, those who are wicked and those who are arrogant, those who get angry, or those who are high-tempered, those are called fierce. Okay, means ferocious, inhuman or monstrous, atikur or bhayankar. Now, lion was such a ferocious hunter that no animal was safe from his huge appetite. Now next we have Draconian. It is negative term, okay? Draconian means it is laws or their application excessively harsh and severe. Laws which are very harsh and severe, those rules are called Draconian. Its synonym is ruthless, means no mercy, relentless, no rest, summary or punitive. Okay, so berham in Hindi it is berham. So these are the words I have taken from newspaper. The Nazis destroyed the independence of the press by a series of draconian law. That means a harsh law or severe law. I hope you understand. If you don't